creation of music is a limitless adventure. Through an infinite amount of sounds, it grants us freedom unlike any other creative form. As guitar players, we don't want our creativity to be limited. Meet the Boaz One, the first truly modular guitar made to unleash your creativity by combining more than 50 guitars into one high-quality guitar. How's it possible? Switch cassettes within 15 seconds without even looking. Once you hear it lock, you know you're ready to rock. That's not the only sound changes you can make. The modular bridge on the Boaz One has two different options. The first is a fixed bridge that produces optimal tone. The second is a total fine-tuning adjustable bridge. It features a wheel and key that provides you with a self-adjusting system of actions and intonations. You will be able to easily adjust and fine-tune each and every string on its own. The Boaz One also features 3 interchangeable body options. First option is the sleek wing body for when you want the minimalist look. This body also features a pick holder so you never have to worry about misplacing your pick. Second option is the more advanced and beautifully crafted full body design with a high-end look. And if you want the freedom to play on the go, simply change to our third option, the Boaz One speaker body. Equipped with a built-in wireless speaker and amplifier, you can now share your skills with high-quality studio sound, whether you're camping, at the beach with friends, or performing a street show. It can even be an economic solution for guitar students instead of buying an amplifier to play at home. The backside of the Boaz One's advanced bodies also features a strong pull-out stand that securely snaps into place with a click. We've put a lot of effort into reducing much of the worry about scratches, damages, humidity, heat, moisture, and twisted fretboards. And we've done it all without sacrificing any sound quality, while remaining very affordable. The Boaz One is made out of highly durable, reinforced plastic. That's right, we said plastic, and we stand by it firmly.
My vision is to change the standard of what's expected in the high-quality guitars. The Boaz One represents this vision by offering an endless amount of high-quality sounds with durable, strong body and without the need of spending thousands of dollars on numerous guitars.
So if you ever want to be free from ever being restricted by your instrument and unlock your full playing potential, get your Boaz One now and explore the infinite sounds of a guitar that changes with you.